name is John Smith, and welcome to the Work From Home Jobs channel, your #1 YouTube channel to learn about work from home jobs, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, passive income, and more. Be sure to click the link in the description below for my #1 work from home job and making money online recommendation. By clicking the link, you will learn how to make a lot of money from home and get paid daily. Enjoy the video and subscribe to our channel.
Ten legal ways to make money fast. You have a well-established routine. You go to work, spend the weekends with your relatives or friends, and in most cases, don't expect any dirty tricks. But sometimes life can get a bit unpredictable. Things you never expected can happen at any moment. Your car can break down. That long-forgotten tooth with a cavity might decide to remind you of the necessity of visiting your dentist. Or an acquaintance can invite you to their birthday party out of the blue. And now you find yourself on the horns of a dilemma. Either you ignore the problem or look for somebody to lend you some money. But in fact, there is one more solution. You can earn the money you need. In this video, you'll learn about 10 legal ways to get some money pronto. 10. Sell something you no longer need. Look around the house. How long has it been since you touched that guitar? 2 years? Are you sure this musical instrument is of the utmost importance to you? And what about that old smartphone? You bought a new one, but who says your previous phone can't serve somebody else? Actually, in any apartment or house, there are plenty of things that the owners don't use anymore. You can sell your old stuff on the internet and make some quick money. Choose things you don't need right now, or at all. They should be valuable enough and in high demand. Good examples are books, CDs and DVDs, video games, jewelry, gadgets, and gift cards that haven't been used. 9. Become a driver. Wait, don't object yet. This doesn't mean you have to change your profession. It just means that if you have a relatively new car and a clean driving record, you can join Uber or Lyft. Think of the benefits. You'll be able to work at any time that's convenient for you. You can also combine this part-time job with your main occupation. If you have insomnia that has been caused by your monetary problems, you can even work at night. You'll kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Earn extra money and entertain yourself during sleepless nights. 8. Sell your hair. Let's say you have beautiful, healthy, and rather long hair. Lucky you! But you also need to make some money urgently. This is the moment when you have to make a choice. Hair salons and online marketplaces are ready to pay hundreds of dollars to get your hair. Think about it. Not only will you get some much-needed cash, but you'll also bring joy to a person who lacks their own hair. Food for thought. The longer your hair is, the more it costs. If you can make about $100 for 10 inches of your tresses, strands that are 30 inches long will earn you more than $1,000. 7. Babysit or walk dogs. Depending on which you deal with better, dogs or kids, you can choose one of these 2 activities. There are special online networks where dog owners can search for dog walkers. Some people place ads on social media, or you can visit your neighbors and offer your services. If you're serious and responsible enough, you can build a good reputation for yourself. And who knows, maybe it will come in handy in the future. As for babysitting, such services are in constant demand. There's also different internet sites where parents look for people who can look after their little ones either for one evening or on a more permanent basis. 6. Donate plasma. If you're a healthy individual over the age of 18 and not older than 65, you can donate plasma. This is a blood component. You won't need to undergo any terrifying procedures, however intriguing the word plasma may sound. In fact, the extraction of plasma is the plain old process of having your blood drawn. After that, the plasma is separated. As for your red blood cells, they are safely returned to your body. In most regions, you can't officially sell your plasma. However, you're compensated for the time you spend donating it. In the USA, the sum of money you can earn can reach approximately $200 a month. You just need to check in with your local plasma center. 5. Use your car to advertise different companies. If you have a car, you can not only work for Uber, but also earn money in a pretty easy way. All you need to do is turn your car into a moving advertising billboard and get your money. There are several websites that connect companies and famous brands with drivers. If you have a fairly new car and a clean driving record, you can even receive an agreed monthly payment from the company that has placed its ad on your vehicle. But don't forget that, in this case, you'll need to drive quite a lot so that people can see the ad. 4. Recycle for a refund. In some states in the U.S., deposit centers pay up to 10 cents when you return a can or a bottle that you've used. That doesn't seem like a lot, but try to collect all, and we mean it, all, bottles and cans that have gathered at your place for years. If you don't care what others think, look for additional treasures in parks, along busy roads, and even in trash cans. Look at it this way: you're helping the environment and solving your problems with money. There's one more smart tip for how to get as many cans and bottles as possible when you're pressed for time. Organize a bring-your-own-drink party at your place. When it's over, happily estimate how much cash you'll get for all those cans and bottles. 3. Decorate homes. Let's admit it, there are lots of holidays in our lives. 4th of July, New Year's Eve, Christmas, Easter, birthdays, and other celebrations. Unfortunately, or perhaps fortunately for you, many people don't have enough time to deal with decorating their home. That's when Superman or Superwoman, aka you, appears. You can decorate trees and bushes in the garden, put up lights inside and outside, prepare games, and do multiple other tasks. To find clients, use social media, special sites, and local networks. Remember to ask your friends, relatives, colleagues, and neighbors as well. 2. Rent out your room. If you have several bedrooms in your house but lack money, consider the possibility of renting out a spare room. You can find a nice person to share your accommodation. In this way, you'll have a substantial addition to your monthly income. One more way to use extra space in your home can be found by renting out a room on Airbnb. This is a cool platform where tourists search for a condo or a room for the period of their stay. This option can be extremely profitable for you if you live in a tourist destination. If you're desperate for money, you can even rent out your whole condo or house and stay with friends or relatives for a while. 1. Participate in market research. This is a pretty easy way to make some quick money. Of course, you won't get millions or even thousands, but you won't have to spend long hours earning this money either. The reason is that many companies have an acute need for customers' opinions on the services they provide or the products that they make. You need to test these services or products first. After that, you share your impressions, most often in written form, by filling in different questionnaires, polls, or surveys. You may also need to take part in discussions in special online groups. The process may differ from company to company, but the main idea remains the same. You make extra money quickly. If you never know where to find additional sources of income when you needed money urgently, give this video a like. And if you've been able to get some extra cash at least once, tell us in the comments how you managed to do it. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Perhaps tomorrow we'll post the video you've been waiting for forever. Stay with us on the bright side of life.